Hi everyone, welcome to another Did You Know Thursday with me, Debbie. Today I'm going to show you how to have two different worksheets on an Excel sheet, but looking at both of them at the same time. Sounds nice and easy, so let me show you how to do it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this data and we're going to split it. So we're going to have two screens basically showing the same amount of data. And the first thing we do is we go to View and then we click New Window. What this will have done is just created a new window with the same amount of information, but it's no good because they're on two different, screens. So let's put them on the same screen. To do that, we click View and then View Side by Side. Now we can see that they're the same spreadsheet, but they've been split into two sort of screens. So you can scroll on one, it scrolls on the other, and it does this by the fact that synchronous scrolling is selected. So if you make a change on the top bit, so it then changes it on the bottom screen. If you don't want synchronous scrolling on, you can go back to View and just uncheck synchronous scrolling. This means they won't scroll in synchronicity, they will scroll on their own. So that is it. That's it for another Did You Know Thursday from me. If you have any questions, you need any help with any Excel sheets, or maybe you just need help with CRM implementation, then give us a shout at admin@stebbington.com. See you next week.